It's Sunday, a day for the family, a chance to catch up with the tide and go on an adventure. After a lovely Sunday lunch, we're full of energy and ready to go. This week, we're going to explore some of the beautiful nature we have so close to us here in Snowdonia. Our first visit is to Oakeley, just a short car journey up the road. After passing Llanmair and the Tannable station, our destination is on the left. This is North Wales at its finest. But you really could be anywhere in the world. It's also a great excuse to get the camera out and show Dad how it's done. The views here are stunning. It's peaceful and nature surrounds us everywhere. It's so good. People travel here from all over the world, hoping to catch a look of the glass-footed osprey. Wasn't our lucky day, but thankfully we could see these beautiful birds via camera, and there is also a nest here. It's massive. Ooh, a duck. I think that's a heron. It's been lovely here. A fun day out. I'll be telling all my friends about it. Hope you do the same. I've been Morgan Rhys. See you soon.